All right, we are on question number 4, letter B. And if you want to use these same steps as we did on part A, you totally can. So the first thing that we want to do is start with the same variable angles. So here we have an x, we have a y, and a y. So we're going to start with these two angles first because they both have y in them. So since these two here are same side interior angles, these are supplementary. So I'm going to take 4y plus 8 plus 3y minus 14, and I'm setting them equal to 180. Alright, so this is step 1. I'm going to draw a little line here to kind of divide those. Okay. So step 1, we're starting with the same variable angles, and we're going to solve for that. If you have not already solved it yourself, pause the video and you can solve it on your own. Alright, let's check your work. Let's see, 4, 6. Oh, did I do that right? Opposite. Minus 14. Checking my work. 7y, 8 minus 14 is negative 6. 186 divided by 7. Oh, that's okay. So y will be 186 over 7, which is not a nice number, but that's all right. Alright, and then for our second step, we're going to plug in the solved variable to get an angle measure. So I'm going to go ahead and do my 4y plus 8, and I'm going to plug in what I got for y in that particular problem. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my calculator. Alright, and that gives me 800 over 7. Okay, so I know that it's kind of silly to not use the decimal, but the decimals aren't perfect, so I want to keep this as accurate as possible. That's why I'm going to use my fraction. Okay, and then step 3, solve for the remaining variable. So we know that this angle right here is that 800 over 7. So if this is 800 over 7, and these two are congruent, we can set the 3x plus 9 equal to 800 over 7. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 9. So 800 over 7 minus 9 is 737 over 7. And then in order to get rid of this 3, I need to divide it out, which is 737 over 21.